This nigga who said, is Trey's stuff authentic? I'm not sure about
What
that.
do you say, wait? What do you say, wait? About that,
Bro,
shit?
it's this one is difficult.
What the
I may fuck with Trey, but at the end of the day, bro,
Yeah.
there's no way, bro, I can go and buy from Trey's store, bro.
Why, bro? You said you fuck with Trey.
That's how I
bro.
am.
These niggas both see Bruce and shit.
Yeah.
Wait,
Police,
wait,
I'm not a fan of
wait.
Steve, though.
What's the film?
I'm not a fan of Steve, bro.
What the
I mean, I
fuck?
fuck with Bruce, bro.
Yeah, I fuck with.
I feel like Steve
Okay.
is too much.
Too much how,
I feel
bro?
like, bro, I like Sonic some other niggas.
The chopper or engineer. Tell me.
Alele Chopra,
And the
bro.
chopper smash.
Yeah.
Pass an engineer.
The reason is she's from my class, bro. I rather smash a bitch from my class. Not a stranger whom I don't know, bro. Fuck it. Too much.
Let's say now. Sign Bucci or Tulipongolo, bro. Who you smash, who you pass?
I'll pass, bro. I'll have to pass, bro. I'll have to smash Sane and pass Tuli. I've seen bro sign
Tulipongolo, bro. Tulipongolo is kill as fuck, bro.
Tulipongolo, bro. It says
Tulipongolo is this fuck,
bro. In my opinion, bro, I've seen Sane twerking and shit, bro.
Yeah.
She's thick, but
Yo, what's up, YouTube? What's up, it's your boy. The one and only, bro. All the rest is the king, you feel me? We outside in the Makayas, the Bundus, bro.
Yes, sir.
You feel me? The Makayas, the Bundus.
Yes, sir.
Episode 1, bro.
Every time.
The Uncut Brothers. Then fuck with us, bro. Bro, let's stay in this motherfucker. We're pushing the grind, dog. You know what I mean? It's hard on the streets, bro. Trying to be trying to be great, dog. You know what I mean? Trying to be great, like, we need to be great, dog. Like, say, it's the corner, dog. I'm really sharp, like, say. You know, niggas out there, bro, are grinding as fuck. In the Makayas, we're not doing shit, bro. And that's crazy as fuck. You know? Yeah. Did you just save my dog?
Wala bafethu mfika uphantam mfana wawo mfana religion mfuna ngala blakati mfana semakhambeni mfana sesibheki sibuyile again with my man man always team khululi
The fuck? What the fuck?
we live bro in Honjeni, you know the drill, bro.
Yeah.
You know the drill.
Eswatini.
Yeah, and I'm happy
Bro.
to be here, bro. Finally did the shit.
Yeah.
Yeah, akuzayi sekubelula tu but zamile ngayonke indlela dog ukuthi success
Yeah.
into
Type shit.
yeah ngifuna kusho dog ukuthi I'm happy and shit.
For sure. Dog.
Everyone is
You
here.
gotta be happy, bro. You gotta be happy, bro.
Kwamele.
If you don't happy, dog,
Yeah.
shock team, dog. Oh,
Road indlela ngifuna ngijabule.
hey, for sure.
We here dog. I appreciate everyone dog ngofaka imandla.
Yo, subscribe. Make sure you subscribe to the Uncut Brothers.
Tell them the location dog.
Location.
Not specific, but just give
But
them
like,
a hint.
nah, this is Eswatini.
We had the Makayas.
Emakayas in Eswatini.
and
That's all you
Honjeni,
can
bro.
say, bro. Don't ask us anything, bro. We are in Eswatini, in the Bundus, Emakaya, bro. We're doing the podcast shit. You know what I mean?
First niggas to do it.
Yeah.
That whole first niggas to do it as big. First niggas to do it and Honjeni.
Type shit.
All LSD.
Yeah.
Pinama Cream Kululi.
Behind the camera. What the
Every
fuck?
time, bro. Every
Yeah,
time. Yeah, funny, bro. Make sure, bro, we say hit that like button and shit. We out here.
Subscribe button. We're trying to hit 1K subscribers, bro, before May. April.
As it's December, must born.
Bro, 1K. Do you know what 1K is? Dog, we are on 200 and something subscribers right now. What do you mean?
Ngifuna sibanike isikhathi bangathi siyabarash. Kona ngiyazi ukuthi kutaba ngJune.
Okay.
But asiyende lento ibe natural, dog.
It is natural. What do you mean? Dog. If this is in dog by May.
It's mean by July.
By July.
Yeah.
100K.
Yeah.
1K.
1K.
Monetize and shit.
December 2000 subs.
Dog, why are you aiming so low, bro?
Okay,
Okay, bro.
These are Swazis. These are Swazis and shit.
Bro, I told you about this shit. Don't aim in Eswatini only, bro. This shit is international. Guys, this shit is international, bro. Niggas from London, niggas from USA, niggas from Botswana, niggas from Lesotho, bro. Should watch this shit, bro. But and from Eswatini, but like trying to do this shit international.
Actually, bro, fuck this shit, bro. Tell me more about yourself. Where
Myself.
you from, bro?
Yo, I'm already still the king, you feel me? I'm the youngest YouTuber out there.
I feel that shit.
You feel me? The youngest YouTuber. We're about to pop in this motherfucker,
We
bro.
have to.
We have to, bro. I'm with my nigga Pure Updates in this motherfucker.
You know,
Yo, this nigga, bro. That's all I believe I him for like. I knew this nigga back in 2019, bro. 2019, yeah. I was in high school and shit. And then when I started to get to know him, like, I want to say, dog, this nigga's bro is real, dog, as fuck. And then I started to kumati and shit, like, I'm understanding ukuthi umuntu kanjani and shit. And then I find out that dog ukuthi say she wants success, he wants success, excuse me, he wants success and shit. So like, as I think dog. But shout out to him. He's next to me, dog. We're doing this podcast shit, bro. Know what I mean? Dog, what are your aims for this shit, bro? Like, what if we wanna eat, dog? What are your results on this shit?
honestly, bro, ngifisa ukubona more kids, bro, after me, dog. Bahamba le ndlela lengihambako, dog. Ukuthi
Yeah,
noma ngabe kumnyama embili, bro.
yeah,
Just keep believing in your craft. Do that shit day after day.
yeah,
Sawubona embili, bro.
yeah.
Yeah. Something like that. Usebenza nabo bani, bro? Because sesibakubonile kunemalanga nami sengikubonile, bro. Mina-ke
Like my team.
ngifuna ukuthi isholo wena, bro, ukuthi ever since uqalile this YouTube shit,
Yeah.
bobani bantu osebenza nabo, bobani bantu ova ngathi bakusite kakhulu.
Yo guys,
Wenzekani?
mean like I'm an honest person, bro. Know what I mean? This shit is delusional as fuck. But like, I know one day it will work, bro. If dog want start, you can check us on the socials.
Yes,
The
sir.
shit is not cap. The shit is real shit, bro. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, I'm LSD, bro. I'm with my nigga Banzam. We're shooting content for YouTube. This is our
Not
first.
for YouTube, for them.
Oh, for them, yeah, for them.
Yeah.
Excuse me, for them, bro. First episode, the Uncut Brothers, bro. We're doing the most.
Ngobatshele ukuthi shooter kwesigagi.
Hey, bro.
Shooter kwesigagi for i-uncut.
I think it's like 10 times, bro. We've been shooting cause like Tinevele, basically. Even though we're from the Bundus, but like we are also from Bavane, based in Checkers, bro.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? We're also like when we Checkers, dog, we're trying to do this shit, but like eventually, dog, Tinevele city like my equipment and shit to do this shit. So the motivation was not there, bro. You know what I mean? So we had to like sacrifice a lot of shit to have these equipments, bro. These simple equipments, bro. I know people out there be like, these niggas, bro, are capping to us. But like some real shit, dog. We had to work hard for this shit. These simple equipments, bro. That this one shooting out, dog. So it's like shooting and shit. It's crazy. Tell them the struggle, bro. Why we quiet?
Okay, mina ngakhuluma, okay, mina ngafakaza, bro, on kule struggle, bro.
Yeah.
Sekunemalanga sokuzama
Type shit.
ukuhlanganisa something to do on shit.
Yeah.
But vele impilo kude longayathi impilo ayinge ukuthi wena ufunani uplaneni. But into le yenzekalako ngempilo, bra, ekugcineni kwako konke, dog, impilo itawena ngendlela yayo. Uyabo?
What do you
Wena
mean? What do you mean?
ngisafuna
How,
iqiniso lithi, dog, saqala kade nisolo sifuna kushuthi i-content ilisikize then
Yeah.
sacrifice lokho sacrifice-ako sathenga lokho sikuthengako then kuhlangene.
Yeah.
Iqiniso lithi mina I'm happy to be here, dog. Baningi bafisile, dog, ukuthi babe to do some shit.
Type shit there.
Yabo. So should I call you a content creator?
Bro, I'm everything. I'm a YouTuber, content creator, a dancer. Yeah, type shit. Guys, I still know how to dance, bro. Like, don't get me for like. I still know how to dance. I can dance right now, and just like listening right now, dog. I'm focusing on something else, dog, besides dancing, dog. But like, I'm also a dancer, dog. Know what I mean?
So ngicela kubuza, bro.
Yeah.
So yini lo lekwele wagcina udecidele ukuthi hayi ngiyopanga ashuthe le content ngongeza.
Hey,
Cause
dog.
mina ngiyalathi iqiniso, bro, solo sembabane.
Yeah.
And bokholelwa ukuthi content ishutheke embabane.
Yeah.
And stuff. So nawucabanga like asongitshela iqiniso yini lokwenda ugcine urelaxile or uthambise ingqondo ukuthi hayi mfana bana ashuthele ekhaya, dog.
Bro, you know, But it dog like I was scrolling on IG dog. But it dog sometimes you need to like enforce things, bro.
Yeah.
Like but it's alignment, bro. You need to be aligned with what God did. Dog dog like big bro. I mean, you should not like force if dog saying dog at the moment dog force, bro. So many like I
Ngalama
say
amagama usho ukuthi wena engakuvumi ukuthi usebenzele emva kwami.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
ngiyakuzwa.
Because like dog, if dog I'm forcing ukuthi ngisebenze emva kwami dog, then ngiyakulimata dog. I'm squeezing myself to something engingasisengayikhoni right now, bro.
Yalo uya to hometown.
No, bro, no, I'm in the bundles. What the fuck?
Usikhaya.
I'm in the bundles, the Makayas, bro.
Ngiyasebenzela.
Yasebenzeka dog.
Uquick ifike studio.
Yeah, I'm quick to figure studio.
Awuspend imali eningi
Nah.
ukuthi ushoot.
Nah.
Awubhadali imali eningi for ama-beacons and shit.
And then okunye bro is because it's because I have my nigga next to me, bro.
When I have you, bro, that's what's up.
But my nigga like
And we have
yeah, type shit like
khululi
for sure.
sababala kuse.
Yeah, for sure dog. Like vele some spending my credits behind the camera.
Yeah.
Khululi, Maqi, you know what I mean? Hyphen B, I don't know. Away behind the camera, bro. They're with us in this motherfucker, bro. Like, we're trying to do this podcast shit. Man, it's about call the dog one time. You know what I mean? So it's like me and my nigga pushing, trying to get rich, bro. Dog. But like, I was watching these niggas, Steve, Bruce, and shit.
Yeah.
Wait.
I'm not a fan of Steve, though.
Where's the fan of Steve?
I'm not a fan of Steve, bro.
What the fuck?
I fuck with Bruce, bro.
Yeah, I fuck with.
I feel like Steve
okay.
is too much.
Too much how,
I
bro?
feel like, bro, I like Sony for some other niggas.
Okay. What makes you say that, bro?
Judging by looking at him, though.
Unani, dog? What the
I
fuck?
just hate him.
I fuck with Steve, by the way.
I just hate him, dog.
Just hate him.
Okay.
I get it, bro. You fuck with Bruce and who?
I fuck with Bruce. I fuck with Bruce. I fuck with this Mto.
Who's that? Hey, excuse dog. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know Mto. Who is Mto, bro?
Okay, forget about Mto. I fuck with Fuego, dog. I always tell you.
Oh, fuck with PTLTD.
Yeah.
The private.
Shout out to
I don't know
Fago,
what's in Fago.
Shout out to Fago.
Private public company or some shit. I don't give a fuck. To big up, bro. Fago and who else?
I fuck with Naquid, dog.
Naquid
every time, bro. I always tell you that.
Naquid and Pusa are no longer together.
But that's the same circuit, dog. Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Forget about this.
Separate relationship. Yeah.
Let me ask you this real shit, bro. I'll send for you, bro.
Yeah.
So ngibalo vangathi wena dog la nje une-influence lenkulu when it comes to internet. Oh, lo vangathi
bra.
Asekuthi speak because
oh yeah, please speak. Yeah, you can't say it, Ojin.
Lo vangathi une-influence.
You can't say it,
Ojin.
We are at dog. I'm tired of telling this shit to you, bro. Which dog? I understand dog. We're in the bundles, but like it's not better guys. Not better mindset dog. We're in the bundles.
But we need to represent the bundles.
Yeah, we did, bruh. We are in info journey. Who do you feel podcast shit?
Who do you feel like une influence la makasani la nje?
I don't, bro. Influence.
Ngiyalibonga liqiniso to angathi.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
Lengisho mina ngithi nje bro, you sleeping on your dreams. Bantu they are making their names out there. Bantu kunemathuba la kuvulela wona online.
Yeah.
Ngeke ngibabale but nje ke ngiyalala bro ngathi ngithi sodwa abantu basentonjeni
ngikutshela bona dog guys mina ngifihli and shit like my nigga the day before yesterday he was telling me ukuthi he DM the Han ukuthi she should pull up on the podcast today lo Han wangaphendvuli and shit baba like I'm texted dog wangaphendvuli and shit
sazama even kumdosa nangecash.
Yeah. So like I can't say ukuthi mina like nje ngatibani and shit like who are these people lava well known and shit because like I know those people dog, but I can say if we were talking about Pixpeak I can say some shit dog. Pixpeak, let's go to Pixpeak, bro. We're at the Bundus, but like let's go to Pixpeak on time.
No vangathi bro say uphamisa iflag yase speak right now. Kubalele babe 2
M Nation.
Nation.
Yeah, M Nation, bro.
Ngiyavumela bro.
The second one, dog. The second one, dog. Okay, cause like I'm not angisiko tuned like that to Gibo and shit, because now I've been having my own business. Like ngasho ukuthi Spova and shit.
I fell off.
He fed off. Okay.
He fell
Oh,
off.
he fed off.
Yeah.
How way?
It's no more. I'm sorry to
It's
say
no more.
this, but
It's no more.
more.
Okay. I mean, I've
Selling quotas and shit.
nah, bro. I mean, I don't believe Woodsy fell off.
He did fell off.
Okay, he did fell off, but
The
like,
influence lebekanayo back then, he fell off, bro.
yeah.
Vumelo.
Ushongani, bro. Tell the people, bro.
Spova, bro, used to put a post out
Yeah.
there. As soon as he put the post out there, already the people, bro, especially us, bro,
Yeah.
they will be vibing with the bro store and shit.
And like in a space of like
In a
30
space
minutes.
like
5-10 minutes.
Yeah, in a space like
Of 10 minutes.
Posting,
Yeah.
they will be all over the nigga speech and shit, yeah, bro. Right now, bro, the nigga, bro, it fell off, bro. Spova.
Okay.
Ngiva ngathi now to the M Nation, bro.
Okay. Nami, dog, I was saying my own views. Like,
Angwale.
for me, dog, guys, like, it's me, it's M Nation, and then it's Spova. Period. Wait, not dog, for you. Who are they, bruh? Tell me. Actually, now you have better choices. Tell the people, bruh. Tell the people, dog.
Speaking, I always go for M Nation.
Yeah.
Yeah, bro. Hamana Gogo.
Gogo
wasespeak.
Gogo esathi wasespeak.
Wababase la speak wasebenza.
Nah, dog, phela.
Wala speak. Ukilo wahlala la speak, bro.
Speak.
Cards,
How do you know that shit?
Oh, bro, I'm talking about specs, really, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
What I speak and
Okay,
shit.
asimkhansele the Gogo.
Dog.
Dog. Man, ngiyamkhansela.
Yeah.
Nigga M Nation, dog.
Yeah.
La speak, bro. Nigga M Nation, nigga Siso Spova, anele nate.
Oh fuck!
Shit.
What the fuck? Yo, Anele chop on this motherfucker. I fuck with you. Like you're a baddie. You from where are you from? Where you based? Like nah, I mean like Utsugu right now. Oh Prema, yeah. When I were at Prema right now, I fuck with you. You're from Peak, but I know you. Nah, you told me what you wanna fuck the hand. Yeah, you wanna fuck the hand.
Cuffing and fucking different things, bro. I wanna cuff the hand, yo. Yeah, bro. I wanna cuff the hand. Okay, actually, bro, to be honest with the viewers and shit.
Yeah. Bro, this is uncut fighters. What the fuck?
Okay, recently, guys, I tried to, cause a brew will always be a brew. I tried to text the hard and shit. Why are you laughing, bro? I'm like, hey, what's up?
Yeah.
Come through.
Yeah.
What is about content yarn? Do you wanna know what the hand said? Bro?
Yeah. Tell me, bro. We're here for the shit.
Yarn is too little and shit.
What's in though?
Yarn told me about I should give him somehow from 1K to 2K to 3K.
But that's valid though. Valid though.
Yeah,
cause bro,
space
like
and but 2.5, bro.
Nah, bro, but very dope. As that's guys were pushing right now. That's in Scots is grand though. When people like they know us, like a lot of people know us, a lot of people fuck with us, they're gonna book us. Not you gonna say the price is even as just grand for us.
But I feel like bro, bro. Let's make it cool, bro.
Bro, you're playing too much, though. You're playing too much.
But at the end of the day, I'm gonna cuff you one day.
Hey, bro. No, Mr. I'm from Mawara, dog. He wanted to do a podcast and shit. So there's this nigga like on YouTube. You check him on YouTube. I don't know what's the handy, dog. I don't know. Senkohliwe with the handy and shit. You are aware. Senkohliwe with the handy, but like, to do a podcast with him, you should pay him like 30K.
Shit.
30K, yeah, bro, from Babane. Yeah,
when I in
podcast and shit, though.
Like, yeah, now, who is that?
Where the chair, dog?
What's his name?
Slime. You check him on Instagram, bro. He got
Slime, bro.
He got so many views and shit from Babane, dog. got so many views and shit.
Bro, when got Facebook, bro.
Yeah.
I saw this nigga. Let's look at him, man. I saw this nigga Trey or so.
Trey Osons.
I
That's hope. I fuck with Trey Osons though.
also fuck with him, bro,
Yeah.
but I feel like I wanted to talk about him and shit.
Yeah.
That nigga, bro, is on 57,000 subscribers.
Okay.
Don't
And-
stop me, bro.
Yeah,
Let me
wait.
finish my sentence.
Yeah.
bro.
Wait.
That nigga is on 57 point something
Yeah.
thousand subscribers.
I saw the shit.
But when I go to the whole channel and shit, that nigga got only one video, bro. So it's confusing, bro. Explain that shit to me.
Bro, do you know Uzi people sometimes like they buy views, they buy subscribers. Do you know the shit there? People buy views, bro.
So what are you saying to me? Are you saying,
wait,
what are you need to
bro,
say?
okay, man, bro. I'm not saying anything. I'm saying anything.
Okay,
I'm saying
say
something.
your shit. Okay,
bro.
Today is the time for you to talk your shit.
And,
Talk your shit.
with the uncut brothers, by the way, gonna say everything that you want to say.
By the
Dog.
way, if you are scared of someone,
I'm not scared
I
of
got you,
bro. What the fuck, bro? I feel like Trey Osons dog. What's saying the views? Are they the
Because
subscribers?
there's no way, bro. You can
You
get
57.5k
You remember we
subscribers.
made this document.
Dog, we have 57.5k, 57,000
In 2
people.
weeks time, we've got 57,
Bro.
From
When
1,000.
how come we're not paid on YouTube? What the fuck,
I'm coming on your ears,
bro? Tine authentic as fuck. Forget about those
I
things.
fuck with Trey.
Yeah, I fuck with Trey too,
This
but like,
dog is
yeah.
authentic, dog.
but like, bro,
But this
unema, but the shit in the manga, bro. You can't be
57 with one video.
One video. Like, that's cap.
57 with one video, my
That's
man.
cap, bro.
That's cap, bro.
Mm,
That's too much.
that's cap, bro.
Including I'm talking about the caption is
That's cap, bro.
57. Bring the link, like, Papa.
Yeah.
Okay, let me go through this.
Yeah.
You
You are a fan for real. You are a fan, bro. You are a fan, bro.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm not a fan, bro.
But like you watch him.
Let me tell you something about me. Yeah, about me, bro. When someone is, I won't say tapped in.
Yeah.
When someone is relevant, bro, I always
Go and check.
check. I need to be tapped in with him or her because
Aware.
he or she is relevant, bro. So I need to know everything so that someone will not come and just tell me lies and shit. I need to know the facts.
You wanna know the facts?
Shit like that.
Aware. I
Good
get
to
it.
go? Yeah.
Aware.
Trey. Shane, did I say Shane?
Shane. Shane, you Shane crazy.
I fuck him. Fuck you, nigga. Did I say shout out to Shane?
You say Shane, bro.
Fuck him, bro.
Trey. We talk about Trey.
Trey, shout out to Trey, but
Yeah,
fuck
okay.
Shane.
Fuck Shane.
Fuck Shane, bro.
You I won't say anything.
Done. But you're talking about
Trey Osons and shit. Yeah.
You remember when we made the brew with Marvels?
Yeah, I remember, bro.
What did he say?
Okay, to go in the
What did he say?
Wait. Let me start it from zero, though.
Not zero, bro. Just all the facts.
Okay, I don't know what he said.
Let me tell you what he said.
What's he?
Hey, yo, bro. Yeah, man. I'm ready to work, bro. Send me your whatever.
Yeah.
When you feel like there's something you need to work on, just
hit me up and shit.
hit me up and shit. Yeah. Now the project say code. Yo, shit. Say what? Hey, my bro, I'm busy.
Okay. The question is, did you reach out to him, bro?
Bro.
You did.
Bro,
how many times?
Bro,
don't care.
I even have his number, though.
You did. You did reach out to him.
I even have his number. Trey Stones, bro. I've been. Let me tool this page,
guys. I don't believe.
Let me tool.
Dog, did you actually text it? Like,
where's my phone at, bro?
I'm texting,
bro.
I'm texting, bro.
Listen. What Trey said to me.
What's he?
I'm busy with some projects and shit. Let me read this shit. My phone is right.
Show me, bro.
My phone is right cheap, bro.
Because I'm going to tell you, bro, you can't saying some stuff like say, dog, then I thought it come out, dog. I'm calling evidence.
My data is not. Next time.
What the fuck?
Next time.
But like, good things look short, dog.
We'll talk, dog. We'll talk. We'll take again, bro.
Again is my fault. Let's go.
Are you ready to go?
Bro, I'm ready.
By the way, bro, We are in Ponjeni, bro.
The Bundus,
You know,
the
shout out to
Makayas.
Ponjeni, shout out
Yeah.
to Speed, shout out to Ahoho, Olele Steam, Kululi, Matri. Matri is here, bro. Kululi is here, dog.
Yeah.
My brother is here, bro.
From
He
here,
lies in
I'm
this
always
shit.
here. I want the success and shit, bro.
You want the success?
I wanna be successful, dog.
I want
Dog,
to, I want,
no,
to,
no,
be,
no, no.
I want to be more
Wait.
successful than you, bro.
I fuck with that shit.
Yeah.
I fuck with that.
But how
Bro,
does it feel
bro,
when
but
how
like-
does it feel when I tell you that I want to be more successful than you? How does it feel?
I'm happy.
You are happy.
Yeah.
Tell me that shit. Tell me that shit.
You know why I'm happy?
Why?
It's because this is a healthy competition.
Yeah.
Healthy competition.
Between brothers.
But between brothers, bro.
But
Cause-
deep down when you are
Nah, bro. Dog,
this
dog,
nigga.
dog, dog. I'm happy when my brothers are winning, bro.
Because
You need to win.
eventually we are
Bro,
winning.
yeah.
together.
If when I talk, you are winning.
I'll fuck with
It
you.
means dog is now I'm winning, bro.
I'll fuck with you.
You know what I mean? Like we're winning together, bro.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, I know what's my nigga. I don't know what's my cherry or my nigga langa Tanzania or the dog, but like dog. Sesibathara dog. If I can make it dog. If you are from 2000 upwards, some Zara, bro. Okay, 2000 from 2000 to like 2007, some Zara, bro. We need to look in. Ufuna uhluke dog. Ufuna like ukhohle ngemona, bra. We here to work, bra. Support each other, like say. Don't fuck with us, bro. Support each other. Like song is to winner, bro.
Yeah.
You can't be saying dog somebody dog only craft except but like I will support and shit. What the fuck?
Honestly.
Bro, this is all SD. This is pure updates. We out here in this podcast and shit.
We are not going anywhere, bro. I need to find something.
Yeah,
Honestly.
yeah.
Let me ask you this shit, bro.
Yeah.
You've recently, bro, you've graduated, bro, at Limco in this
Yeah,
city.
for sure.
Yeah, you've graduated at Limco Green
For sure.
University in this city.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, bro. I need to know, bro, what's going on up there, bro.
To a queen.
Limco Green.
Bro,
Because
guys, I wanna dab my nigga first before I talk, bro. You know what I mean?
I always
'Cause-
tell you this shit, bro.
Cause
I
like,
wish I'd get it
yo,
sometime.
can I have a refill, bro?
I did touch you, bro.
Bro, you know what's when they got out in Bokwe. Bokwe is a crazy area. It's a crazy atmosphere, bro.
You mean about that?
Nah, I'm still
Okay.
I'm still telling the story.
To cut the story short, bro. My question is based on you at Limquin, bro. It's based on, bro. It's based on Hans.
Yeah.
The life based on Hans. Like, how is it like, bro? Cause I know, bro. Okay, bro. I've been in high school, bro.
Type shit,
Never
yeah.
had to get a chance to go to Tishal, but
Yeah.
I want to know, bro, how is it like, bro? Now say Tishal, them hands being broke, cause good Malona, bro. Now say
Yeah, for sure.
Like,
For sure.
tell me, bro, how was your experience, bro? Cause you were there, bro, for 3 full years.
Yeah.
3 full years, bro.
Yeah, for sure. 3 4 years, bro.
Tell me, bro, like, how is it like, man? Nigga.
Bro, first thing first, bro. You know, Evava dog niggas. Not niggas, but my hands, bro. Bafuna ema. They want money. You know.
How did they want money?
Listen, I'm telling a story, bro.
Okay,
You
yeah.
asked me the question.
Okay,
They want money. So if you don't have money, bro, you know someone like, bro, bro, I'm telling you first, like you can fuck a hand right now.
Now to know someone you might get the one, but you might not keep the one.
Yeah,
Shit.
bro, you can fuck,
Shit.
bro, you can fuck a hand right now just because you have money. It's at Limco Queen University, and that's facts. Like I'm not
But
capping.
you can't keep the hand.
You can't keep the hand. You can fuck the hand.
But you used to tell me, bro, that there are niggas keeping hands. How are they doing that shit?
Okay, let me make an example, though. Let me say you are coming from Enguteni, bro.
Shout out to a good
Bro, Enguteni, I know Guti. They are from Hannis. Like we have shit. Shout out to Enguteni. You know what I mean? Like, so if Namin come Enguteni, dog, when must Tibana a university, dog. Vesto Tanzania, dog. Because sugar. on one same era. It's on the same era, bro. So without work if you guys are from the same era, but like if you guys, if lo munye dog was Zimbabwe, if lo munye was Sankuteni, the shit won't work, bro. I'm a perfect example, dog. When I come from the Bundus, but Nalohano was Nalohano was my car, bro.
Let me tell you this, but bro,
Yeah,
you are not from that. You are
Yeah,
not from
Bundus,
that
yeah.
Bundus.
fuck with that. Yeah.
Yeah, for real, bruh. Yeah, we are in Fonjen, bruh.
Yes,
We are the Bundus, bruh.
but it's not,
But it's not that Bundus
yeah,
like
yeah,
you can even a girl can
Yeah.
get scared. Oh,
Yeah,
my
type
niggas
shit,
from
yeah.
no. It's just a normal place, bro. Like
type shit,
Bundus, but the people are tapped in.
type shit.
They know how to make man.
Yeah,
They know how to build vibes and shit.
yeah.
Yeah. You need to remember that, though.
Wait,
It's not much
wait.
of.
Wait for this shit is not recording. Where's the light? Where's the light, bro? Where's the light, bro? Is it recording? Yeah, the shit the red latul. Oh, let's go. But I keep the lights, bro. The lights are not bro. The flashlight. Yo, bro, pull up and say, yo, this nigga say. Nah, sabi safe say, like fuck it. Says kumanga say, we gonna record something. Yo, bro, say, hey, the nigga did say, bro, say, yeah, but can you lie to Kalin? Oh, that's the case, say. Can you lie to Kalin? So, yo, pull up, says body. Yo,
Fuck, bro.
nah,
Why
nah,
would
nah.
you lie like this, bro?
Nah.
Crazy.
Bengabondi, the flashlight. But like, it clean though.
Flashlight yanto kukuseni.
It clean though. Awe.
Phela nani nibohle nithi
Yeah.
madoda. Nisihype up.
No,
Stop
go
bona
check,
kubona
yeah.
senizikhuluma. But imkhululi ngiyambona naseni ukuthi unako lokuyiva ukuthi this shit is off. But ngeke ajambise.
No, yeah.
Kansani.
But like,
Fragment.
grab your mic, bro.
Okay. My phone.
Yo, bro.
Yeah.
You see us? We're hustling in this motherfucker, bro. You know what talk when we were hustling, man.
Yeah.
Eventually stop and reach and shit. You're gonna be successful and shit.
Yeah.
So why is it so hard for niggas like rich to fall in love? Tell me, bro.
Okay, yabona bra. This question angeke answer it direct because bro, I've never been rich though. I'm not a rich nigga.
Okay,
But I've been around niggas who are rich. And shit.
Yeah.
It is impossible, bro, for a nigga to fall in love while he's rich. Cause
Possible,
let
bro.
me make an example by this coffee table and shit.
Yeah.
This is a S. This is a S. This is S. This is S. You rich, my nigga.
Yeah.
This is S. This is S. You rich, my nigga. All these S's are being brought to you.
Yeah.
Or being directed to you.
Yeah.
How can you dog except fall in love with this S while all these other S's are waiting for you?
You can't.
Am I touching it the right way, my
You can't.
Am I touching it the right way, dog?
You order shit. You can't.
There's no way, bro. A rich
can't,
nigga can love a hand or a bitch or someone because
There's no way.
Nigga, dog, always have options.
Yeah.
This nigga, dog, always have more hands. And this
Yeah.
nigga, dog, always have a lot of people.
Yeah.
I won't say people. A lot of hands, a lot of pretty girls, a lot of ladies. Why not just fuck
And
you for free?
and one thing, bruh. Like say, I wonder if this message is for hands only. I wonder if dog.
For hands only.
Yeah. I wonder if your nigga on a vision and she goes accept, bro. I wanna do something. Something serious, bro. Take that nigga serious, cause like you may never know in 2 years or 3 years who's to buy in and shit.
Manje ngeke sithe lento lembuyiselo say.
Bro,
We call
bro, Espal, yo. The shit in Kumanga talk is like some natural shit. It's like some real shit.
Ngiyamuva lokhuluma ngawo mna ukuthi uqinisile but at the end of the day manje ngeke aze angenelana nento leyo bra.
which is
We've
okay.
seen that before.
Which is okay.
One
Which is
guy
okay.
hitting it.
No. This message is for people that are not.
Okay.
If if you are a hand out there, you think you are a baddie, you think you are better than any other girl, though. Fuck you. But like I mean, this message is for hands that are like shit. If you have the nigga the vision, the serious, take the nigga serious, cause like you might never know what's like in 3 years, 2 years, or 5 years. Go by eye, bro. Cause like the shit is proven, bro. Even outside the world, dog. That's why I never reach man. Like, cause like my hands, bro. Niggas, they were getting into relationship, my cherry. Like, bro, like, they can get someone better. But unfortunately, after 3 years or 5 years, Mr. Lowe asuka be better than they ngicabanga ukuthi better kunaye. You feel me? So if you are dating out there, you are the bundus, babane, outside the country, the world, nigga, like take your boyfriend seriously. You don't know who's name Mr. Lowe in 3 years. You agree with me? You agree, bruh?
Also,
But you don't need to agree, bro. You don't need to agree, bruh.
Yeah.
You need to agree, bruh. But like, no long show right now. Would see if you're dating, bruh, make sure with some stuff, Mr. Serious. Cause like, you don't know it's one day, you guys, you're gonna be Beyonce and Jay-Z. Cause like, Beyonce and Jay-Z, those are the powerful people that are going right now. Take your nigga serious. That's what I can say.
Online video, bro.
Yeah.
That's what you're doing.
Yeah. I'm doing content and shit.
You probably when that was for each and every day, bro.
Yeah.
Give up, like bro, like uqhubeke dog like yini le motivate yakho dog ukuthi uqhubeke when the what you love the craft yakho which is online video or what you call it content.
Well.
Yeah, because
okay, what I love about this question is that my nigga would be there in a way, cause like we are dudes, dog. This is a podcast shit. Let me answer you, bro. You know, bro. One day we all gonna die, man. We all gonna die. So when Nasifa song dog. Okay, let me say dog when we are for today. People they would act like they fuck with you. They will act like bona like they love you and shit. Okay, they can act, bro. They can fake, but like after 2 weeks or 3 weeks, they're gonna forget about you. So the whole show team, bro, who's the dog? Like you need to chase your dreams right now, cause like why? They go like why not, bro? You chase your dream, cause like cozy, maufa dog, ngiyabakhumbulo, bro. So you need to leave a name for yourself when you die, so that your children, labatango, bro, they should find you good TikTok. Okay, my dad was a superstar. My dad was a rich nigga and shit. My dad had influence and shit. My dad like was respected and shit. My dad had money. Cause the shit, bro. In as much as you are doing the shit for yourself, you are also doing the shit for your children, bro. Cause like, yeah, well, for sure, dog, you're gonna have children. So you need to do this shit for yourself and also for your children, the upcoming generations. You know what I mean? If you don't understand me, fuck you. I don't care.
oh shit, bro.
I'm sorry, bro. Excuse my language, guys. Like that's how I am, bro. I'm raw and uncut.
Have you ever been left bro by a girl or like a girl switch up on you in some crazy way? Not in some crazy way.
Yeah.
Like have you ever been like your girl switch up on you, she like leaving you?
Yeah,
Have
for
you?
sure. For sure.
Yeah. Okay. The real question is
I'm
bro,
raw.
the real question is bro, do you blame the girl bro on switching up on you?
I'm gonna.
If you do blame her,
Yeah.
why?
Wait. I'm gonna answer the question in both sides, in two sides.
Bro.
The first side is like I do blame the girl, cause like the hand talk when we started dating, like she told me who's like, she loves me and she like she's loyal and she.
But do you understand the fact that bro, when you meet someone at an early stage,
Yeah.
she or he won't come out to you he or she won't tell you the truth, bruh.
What do you
You
mean he
try
or she?
to- he or
What
she-
do you mean he or she?
he
Though?
or she
You
would-
think I'm a gay, bro?
No, bruh.
Oh,
I'm making
alright,
this
alright.
answer, bro, to
Alright.
fit everyone, though.
It's your
The
chicken,
gay, the straight and
Yeah,
shit,
alright.
bro. You know,
Yeah.
shit like that, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Nah, then switch it up, bro.
Okay, Jay.
Nah, don't cut. You own.
Okay, bro.
Wait.
It's me.
Nah, you own, bro.
Okay.
Yeah.
What are we saying?
I was saying, bro, my hand.
Oh, I was asking you, bro, do you blame a hand on switching up on you after the breakup or she? Oh, not after the breakup? Do you blame a hand for switching up on you, or for seeing you, or for leaving you?
Yeah.
You said when a yes,
And then I said I would answer this question in both sides, two sides.
but you started by saying yes.
Yes, yeah. I do
Yeah.
blame the hand.
Explain that shit, bro.
Because the hand, when we started dating, she told me Uzi she loves me, bruh. And there's no other nigga besides me. And she would pull up to my crib. We're gonna fuck the whole night, bro.
Fucking you, bro, doesn't mean that.
Listen, bro. Listen.
But you need to get this on your head,
bro. I'm trying to explain.
But
bro.
the hand, bro, fucking you doesn't mean that. Okay, maybe in your head, doc, you can take it as if like, okay, this hand's fucking me.
Yeah.
She's mine, blah blah blah. But the real truth is, a hand by fucking you
Doesn't
doesn't
she
mean
loves
anything about it. She means that, bro, she enjoys the moment. You have to get that in your head. The viewers out there need to get that in their heads, that a hand, when she fucks you, she means that
Doesn't mean she loves you.
she's just enjoying the moment with you right now. Yeah.
I get it.
Not that, bro.
She loves you.
She's invested in
In
you.
you.
She wanna vibe with you and shit.
It's
No.
just your turn, eh? Just your turn.
Yeah, it's just your turn.
I fuck with the real truth, bro.
I fuck with you, bro.
Yo, I know.
I fuck with you, bro, for understanding this.
I understand the shit.
Yeah.
Like, bro. Nathaniel, I understand the shit.
You have to, bro.
I've been through the shit. I know the
Okay,
shit.
can I answer this question while I'm the one who asked it, bro? The question is, do you blame Hans for switching up on you or niggas and shit? I would say
I don't.
I don't as well, bro.
Why?
Why?
Wait, bro. I said, dog. That's why I'm in dog right now. I'm not dating.
You're not dating.
Listen, but I'm trying to explain to the viewers.
But you need to,
guys. That's why I'm not dating right now.
You need to column the truth, though.
Bro, what the fuck? This uncut podcast, I have to tell the truth.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm not dating right now. You know why?
The truth is, it is not being, bro. It's not the podcast that will make you to talk the truth. It is the presence of me, because, bro, I know you, bro. I've stayed with you, bro.
Nah, bro, what do you mean? Dog,
but don't act that, bro.
Bro, I'm trying to tell
okay.
Let
me tell the people, bro, listen to you.
But dog,
we're talking about that, bro. Do you blame Hans on switching up on you?
I do.
Oh, you say?
I say I do it first, and then I say I don't.
Okay.
You know why I don't? Because smart dog, as we're not the full package, bro. You know, Hans, dog, they want the nigga, the Mali, influence, a nigga low, stable, bro. Like a nigga no go and shit. So today, as like maybe like we were missing like the part of same bro. Like as and shit. So that's why I don't blame Hans for cheating to us. Cause that's bro. When it's like I'm making example.
Okay.
I'm making an example, bro. Look, when you see Tulipong on IG or Facebook or TikTok.
Tulipong, bro, why would you?
No. I'm trying to make an example.
Bro.
When you see Tulipong on IG, Facebook, TikTok, you know, bro.
She got a fetish. That's the face, bro.
Do you wanna fuck her?
No, but I have to make people know that I know that she got a fetish.
But like, bro, okay, I understand.
Okay, I would love to fuck her, bro. She got a PBA. I've never tested PBA before. Yeah.
Tulipongolo is a famous girl. Like, he has all the. Now she has the fame.
Yeah.
Everything. So why mangomchida? Bro, if you are a nigga, you need to have those abilities in order for you to keep a hand. Yeah, bro.
Are you saying why do you need to have those abilities?
Now I'm saying you should
Oh,
have
okay.
those abilities.
You have to, bro. It's the law, bro. It's how
Type shit.
things works these
Yeah.
days.
Yeah, you have the law. But like just like Bonica dog, we're talking about Trey Osons. Do you think Trey Osons is a celebrity, bro? In Eswatini?
Shit, bro. That's a hard question, bro.
No, I'm trying to explain to you. Do you think he's a celebrity in Eswatini?
I would say yes, bro.
Mm.
Yeah.
Tell us, bro.
Yeah, bro. For me, bro, when someone is recommended, though,
Recommended how?
on my feed, bro, whether it's Facebook
Mm-hmm.
or YouTube or TikTok or shit, to me, he or she is a celebrity because
For sure.
there's gotta be a reason why he or she is recommended.
Yeah.
Because they cannot just push Kinamakri. Yeah.
For no
Yeah.
reason.
Just view Makri, no, bro. I feel like, bro, there's a reason why they are making me with, bro. Mboge hyphen, no, bro.
Yeah.
Except, bro, me talking about TikTok now, YouTube, Trey, bro, is always on top.
I
He's a
know this.
swaz.
Yeah, bro. I know Trey, bro.
Yeah.
I know Trey. Yeah.
To me, bro, he's a celebrity.
Mhm.
But with 57
Yeah.
with 57,000 subscribers with one video, bro. There's no way I can shut up on this one, bro.
Bro, the only reason would say believe it. The only
You
reason
on some AI shit,
this is
bro.
some fake shit, bro. Bro, I fuck with you, Trey.
We do fuck with you, bro,
But
but
like,
you on some AI shit.
The 57 something is cap.
Bro, do you think he bought some subscribers and shit?
Bro, even they were saying Kendrick Lamar.
How
Like,
did
bro,
but
they were saying
okay
Kendrick Lamar he bought views
on which
for
song?
this nigga and like us.
Oh.
Yeah. So very and there's this nigga from Portals, bro. Look, this is uncut podcast. I'm gonna say any shit that I want to say.
Fuck everyone who feel like
There's this nigga from Portals, bro.
he or she is
Bro,
offended,
the
bro.
nigga
This is how we do it.
he was on 200 and something subscribers.
Bro, I understand
In
that.
like 6 months, bro. She was like he was on 10K. I was like, fuck it, bro. Nah,
But bro, he does have videos.
But like, bro,
Does he have videos? Yes or no?
He have videos.
Trey, bro. That nigga have one video, bro. Ngoyicabange mina ke hayi ukuthi I'm trying to hate this nigga. Ngize ngiyasho bro ukuthi we made that nigga emavuso on our vlog, bro.
Type shit,
Yeah.
Like,
Sakhuluma naye, bro. Yeah. That's it.
Yeah.
Nigga got 57 subs with one video, bro. How, bro?
That's impossible, bro.
It's possible, bro.
Oh, it's possible, but like, bro. Yeah,
but you can't fool me, bro.
You can't.
It's coming after you.
Coming. But like, bro,
but shout out on your crimes, bro. I see your drip is too much.
Trey Osons.
Yeah.
I fuck with you. The reason why I fuck with you is because like you're pushing your cry. Doesn't mean it's like when worship you and shit.
Actually, don't give a fuck.
Like we fuck with you because you're pushing out there. You know, like I
fuck
with niggas that push out who was in the cry.
Are you his fan?
Nah.
Not his fan.
I know I'm not his fan, but like I do see his post. I do see everything about Trey. So like fuck it. Like cause me, bro, like I don't have umoya dog or hate on any nigga. Cause like no, I know the grind, bro. Like I fuck with every nigga, bro. It's just that, bro, like niggas.
Do you really fuck with every nigga, though?
Okay, no. I don't fuck with every nigga, but like I do fuck with the majority of niggas. That's bad.
I remember this one time, bro. I won't call the names because this shit is fucked up. But you went for a road trip. Yeah. You went for a road trip. Listen, we went for a road trip with this couple of niggas. They didn't know that me and you were tapped in like that, bro. And they were talking some shit. And you were there, bro. Pancham this and this and this. Oh. Remember that day? I feel like, bro.
Should I say the name?
No, don't say names, bro. But I feel like we should talk about this shit, bro. Yeah. What's your take?
Are those niggas from Peace Peak?
No, they are from Swaziland.
Oh, I do remember the time. Cause me, bro, I'm the nigga who doesn't give a fuck. Okay, I do give a fuck. Oh nah, I don't give a fuck. 50%.
It's been one lie always lokungitshela.
I do give a fuck 50%. So very it means good. I do have the mass sides, both sides. So like, bro, meaning like I know we see my niggas now out there. They do want fame, right?
Yeah. But they act like they don't want
They
fame.
want fame.
Why is that,
I
though?
don't know.
Bro,
Tell me, I don't know, bro. I don't know, bro.
tell me, dog.
Dog, when I mean me and you were talking about Trey Osons.
Yo, technician.
Trey Osons, bro. What does she bring? Oh, fuck, excuse my language. What does it bring to the craft in the entertainment industry, bro? Because you are in the entertainment industry right now.
It's just being a famous nigga
Famous nigga.
with
What does he contribute? Dog, when a child from high school, I want to try also like Gucci and a dog.
it's just rich though.
Do you think he's rich though?
I do think he's rich.
He is.
Okay.
What the fuck?
Do you know what's being rich in Swaziland nowadays?
I don't know. Tell me.
I would say, bro, in Swaziland, bro, making more than 10K in Swaziland is being rich, bro.
So do you think Trey Osons may make more than 10K?
Bro, I'm not tapped in with Trey that much, but I can testify, bro. Trey is making that much money, bro.
Tell me more than 10K.
More than 10K
in a month.
in a month.
Okay.
Have you seen his craft, bro?
I have. Okay, bro. I don't like to step into people's business, but I don't know about 10K per month. I don't know. My nigga can tell me out there.
It's crazy,
10K.
dog. It's crazy, dog.
Well.
It's crazy, dog. The nigga, bro. Let me make an example. He got them sneakers.
Yeah.
He got them pants. He got everything, bro. You can drop even 10 pens on this nigga. Like you can drop even 2 pens on this nigga. Like, I'm giving this 2,000. I'm gonna need sneakers, pants, shirt, and full attire.
From this nigga.
Yeah, he got everything. I even saw a comment. This nigga who said, "Is Trey stuff authentic?" I'm not sure about
what
that.
Do you say, wait? What do you say, wait? About that,
bro? This one is difficult. I may fuck with Trey, but at the end of the day, bro,
yeah,
there's no way, bro, I can go and buy from Trey's store, bro.
Why, bro? You said you fuck with Trey.
That's how I am, bro.
You said you fuck with
Trey. That's
how
I am, okay, bro. Like, you've known me for days, bro.
Yeah, I know you for days. Nah, I've never seen you, bro. I've never seen my nigga buying some shit from the streets, bro.
Trey, bro, I've got never. A stall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Somebody in a store from
where the technician at, bro? I need someone to play some music and shit.
Nah, cheat, bro.
Are you hating on Trey?
I'm not. Okay. Whose music are you trying to play?
I'm trying to play some
Trey or songs.
No Trey, bro. Why would I play Trey? I'm trying to play hip hop, bro. I'm trying to end this video and shit. It's been long.
Trying to end this shit, bro.
I'm tired.
You know how many hours? How many minutes there, bro?
I'm tired, though.
52.
I'm tired.
Let's cut this.
I need to get my. Oh, okay.
Wait, the podcast is not finished, bro.
Podcast will never be finished, bro.
Yeah. Hey, I'm saying
for a little break, dog.
Yeah.
You need to.
Nah, bro.
Okay, can I say my shit?
Let's go into
Okay, can I say my shit?
Say me.
I need to get my nigga here. Do his shit. Maybe.
Bro,
listen.
Forget about the shit.
Okay.
Bro. You're gonna edit this shit.
I asked you, bro. Like I asked you when I was facing down. Like, can I get some A? You were saying yes. But why am I trying to get some A? You blocking my shit. Don't do that.
Okay, that way.
Hyphen this speech, but to drop some bars.
Bro, please.
What,
please? This podcast is gonna finish, bro. You saw the scoop. Okay, bro.
Keep rolling.
Wait.
Keep rolling.
Pure updates, guys. Like he's tired and shit. I don't know
why.
Okay, guys. Let's play
Keep
some game.
rolling, though.
Wait, let's play some game.
Okay.
Let's play some game. Aware. You're gonna start with the Eswatini influencers and shit. Bitches though. Hands and shit.
Okay, cheat. Okay, wait.
These things
It's in man, bro. Can I get some water? Yeah.
pour me the shit here, bro.
Okay, send this one. Get some water.
No, pour me the
No, I pay.
No. Give me the things. I wanna mix it. Let's play some game, bro. Are you ready for this game?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Smash. Pass.
Okay, shit. Great.
Let's start with the Eswatini edition and shit.
Mm.
Anele chopper. Smash or pass?
I always carve that bitch, bro.
Smash anele chopper.
Yeah, but for now,
Man.
yeah, I don't know, cause Minyaga hammer, bro. But I'll smash it for now.
Especially for now.
Yeah, for the
Anele
tattoos
chopper.
and
Anele chopper. Who's this hundred? Nobody, bro. I said anele chopper and who?
shit. What's the another pen?
No. I say anele chopper or engineering. What the fuck? Yo.
I'm gave up, bro. Why would you?
Anele chopper. Bro. Who will you smash? Anele chopper or engineering? Tell me.
Anele chopper, bro.
Anele chopper smash.
Yeah.
Pass an engineering.
The reason is she's from my class, bro. I rather smash a bitch from my class. Not a stranger whom I don't know, bro. Fuck her. Doing porn and shit.
Yeah. What the hell is she doing for this shit?
I'm fucking with you, dude.
Oh yeah. So like, Pig and shit.
Pick speaking shit.
Yeah.
Hey, bro, I don't
Sport
know.
Vahan or your ex. Who would you smash? Who would pass?
What do you mean, bro? By
Sport
my
Vahan
ex?
or that?
Who do you mean by my ex, bro?
Your ex, bro. You don't know your ex.
I've got 1, 2
Luyanda and shit. Luyanda or
Fuck
Sport
you,
King.
dude.
Sport Queen.
Spova Queen, I mean Sunday.
Yeah, Sunday.
Bro, I always go for Lambo, you know the shit,
Lambo.
bro. You know the tree, bro.
Oh,
That
so
bitch is fire, dude.
specific or Lambo.
Who's pay?
Oh, the hand from when you in shit high school. 2019. The hand that you dated like.
Spay, bro. The one who was vying with them and
Yeah,
shit.
bro. Who do you smash? Who do you
I,
pass?
bro, I always vie with Lambo.
Lambo.
Bro, she's sucked dick for days,
fire.
bro.
She's
She's fire.
Okay. Oh yeah. So like in SA now.
SA is too much.
SA now. Sign Bucci or Tulipongolo, bro. Who do you smash? Who do you pass?
I'll pass, bro. I'll have to pass, bro. I'll have to smash Sane and pass Tulip. I've seen bro sign taking
bro. Tulipongolo is a killer as fuck, bro.
Tulipongolo pro says
Tulipongolo is this fuck,
bro. In my opinion, bro, I've seen Sane twerking and shit, bro.
Yeah.
She's thick, but she's active and shit.
So you're gonna go for Sign?
Sign, bro, is my go-to to smash.
Make sure you subscribe to all the LSD, the Uncut Brothers. We're together in this beach. We're trying to get this shit to 1K. Road to 1K subscribers.